Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary. So at first let's open new message or new mail, any area where you can input some text, and here you've got your current keyboard. To change it, tap on settings icon, select languages and types, go to manage input languages, and mark the language that you wish to apply. Let me pick for example this one. Switch off unwanted language, and once you open messages again, or even search area, actually doesn't matter, you will be able to use this new language. If you want to switch it again, just do the same option, so just tap on settings and then manage input language. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.